Yes, after all the tried and tested methods by the makers for keeping Ranbir Kapoor's look in Anurag Kashyap's next Bombay Velvet a guarded secret, the actor's clean and tidy gentleman look from this upcoming period film leaked online last evening, creating quite a buzz. In the leaked image, Ranbir is seen donning a blue waistcoat, clean-shaven and flaunting a wavy hairdo. Reports voice that this image was clicked in RK Studio located in Mumbai while the actor was getting ready for the film's photo shoot. Ranbir, who plays the character of Johnny Balraj, will be seen as a street fighter turned tycoon in the film and will be romancing Rosie, a jazz singer played by Anushka Sharma. Set in the 1950s to 1970s, Bombay Velvet is based on the book Mumbai Fables by Gyan Prakash and will most likely release during Christmas this year. So if you like Ranbir Kapoor's look from Bombay Velvet, do like this video and also let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Till then, for more updates from Tinsel Town, stay tuned to Bollywood Now.
Hi, I'm Aditya Roy Kapoor. Keep watching Bollywood Now.